Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jabalpur location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for assistant professor in Saint Aloysius Institute of Technology, and they are looking for dynamic professionals for their computer science department. Coming to the eligibility criteria, like the candidates should complete PhD or MTech or BTech with industrial experience is required, and salary will be as per norms or hike in current salary. And interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there are job openings are available in UWO. They are offering internship programs like business development, digital marketing, e-commerce, video advertisement, affiliate marketing, creators and influencers. Coming to the skill sets required, like the candidates should have excellent communication skills, team player skills, problem solving skills, initiative and enterprise skills, self-management, self-learning skills, technology skills and research and analysis skills are required, and the stipend will be as per the skill sets. Interested candidates can apply for these internships by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in UWO. They are looking for business development executive. Coming to the job requirements, the candidates should have experience with lead generation and prospect management, excellent verbal and written communication skills, the ability to call, connect and interact with potential customers, persuasive and goal-oriented, process and energetic, outgoing and friendly, and able to professionally and confidently communicate with C-level executives, 4 years of cold calling experience, previous experience in an outbound IT, inside sales experience or a related sales experience, knowledge of sales process from initiation to close, and excellent analytical skills and time management skills, and demonstrated and proven sales results, and the ability to work independently or as an active team member. The qualifications and skills required, like the candidates should have bachelor's degree, and the skills required like strong computer skills including Microsoft Office suite, PowerPoint, Outlook and Excel Word, and CRM or Salesforce experience is preferred, and salary will be up to 20,000. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Magnum Group. They are looking for database administrator. Coming to the job responsibilities, those like design, code, test and manage various applications, collaborate with engineering team and product team to establish best product, and follow outlined standards of quality related to code and systems, develop automated test and conduct performance tuning. Coming to the qualifications, like the candidates should have bachelor's degree in computer science or a relevant field is preferred, and the candidates should have 4 years plus experience in working with MySQL, DBA or a relevant experience is preferred, and experience in working with MS SQL Server and MySQL knowledge of practices and procedures for full software design life cycle, and experience in working agile development environment is preferred. These are the job responsibilities and qualifications. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. There is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager PLCS growth. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, track and improve key performance indicators such as query resolution time, repeat queries, etc. Liaise with sales team and IT team to ensure reduction of sales queries and bottlenecks. build various process or policy checks on SFDC workflow to ensure minimum leakages downstream by working closely with IT or COE teams. These are the job duties and key responsibilities. And coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates should have graduate or postgraduate, and the candidates should have relevant experience of 1 to 2 years in the financial services industry would be an added advantage. And excellent communication skills along with the exceptionally high motivation levels and needs to be self-starter. These are the required qualifications and experience required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in TIME. They are looking for student relations executive. Coming to the experience required, that is 3 to 5 years is required. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates be able to take classes in the subject for which the recruitment is done, and the candidates should have willing to go to various centers within the city to take classes and be able to proactively interact with students and to be open to take up assignment, counsel the students and doubt clarification sessions. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the qualifications required, like education will be bachelor's degree or master's degree in a field with relevance to the position. Alumni of top B schools or reputed institutes or universities would be an added advantage, and experience of 3 to 5 years in teaching and freshers with a good communication skills are also considered. And coming to the competencies, like professional qualities, acceptable level of speaking skills, proficiency in the subject, and good class adequate personal attitudes. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Extranet Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for techno-functional consultant. Coming to the job description, the candidates must have handled at least 2 into Oracle ERP implementation life cycles as module lead or consultant for the respective module, and minimum 5 years in understanding of process flow detail business requirement ASIS to be mapping, design, customization, having development, testing training skills for ERP or Oracle EBS implementation or customization or support and maintenance. And here one note is also given. The candidates should be comfortable to relocate as it will be work from home. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. To the next one, there is a job opening available in Applers. They are looking for full stack WordPress developer. Coming to the job roles and key responsibilities, PHP based website production, coding, deployment and optimization of ongoing projects, optimize applications for speed and scalability, development of front end and back end web properties, working closely with their creative team to develop, implement and maintain designs that fit their brand look and feel, and lightweight server-side maintenance like domains, DNS, redirects and hosting. Coming to the skills required, that is the candidates should have skills in OOPS concepts must be clear and good understanding of PHP, jQuery, MS SQL, HTML and CSS, and strong proficiency in JavaScript including debugger manipulation and the JavaScript object model, third-party API integration, ability to implement automated testing platforms and unit tests. These are the skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for commercial engineer in HBH Technologies LLP. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates should build pipelines and maintain long-term relationships with customers, identify new business opportunities, giving service on time to customers. These are some job responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications required, like the candidates should have bachelor's degree or diploma in networking on hardware field, and 1 year plus experience in service engineer or fresher, strong written and verbal communication skills, and the candidate should have a vehicle of his own and should be comfortable in traveling. These are the qualifications required for the desired candidate. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you please check in the description box for the link. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for marketing staff in assort.com, and the timings will be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the salary will be 8,500 to 22,000, and age must be complete 18 years, and educational qualifications will be 10th or 12th or any degree, and position will be manager or trainer or team leader or brand promoter or advisor or HR. Freshers and experienced both can apply for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.